So I wanted to take you guys with me to into these supermarkets, one of these supermarkets that I actually like. I haven't actually gone shopping in a long time here because you get your groceries delivered to your door in China, so I've kind of gotten like lazy. Yeah, I've gotten lazy about shopping, but anyways, because the first thing I see, yo, if you want to be a big back here, you can. There's strawberries here with cake, whipped cream, and they have the cherries one. Ooh, this is the price. Oh, the price is here. Divide that by 7 if you want USD. Some more treats here for you. Thing is, I don't like Chinese cake, but it's too light and airy. It's like a cloud. I'm not into clouds, but well, not cloud cake. This one looks a little more dense. Looks like a tiramisu type cake. But yeah, this is the bakery section. It is massive. Let me give you a guys of the scale of this place. They've got a waffle machine maker here, and there's even more pastries and bakery items. Let's get closer. So there's fresh waffles being made here for you. Oh, it's nice and hot too. This is 9 for USD divided by 7. Alright. The waffle maker there. She'll make it fresh for you. Because Chinese New Year is coming, they've got treats for Chinese New Year's. Lots of Chinese pastries and stuff. These are like nuts with like a caramel and a sweet and salty. Yo, this is all stuff I cannot and will not eat. Well, I try my best not to eat. Oh, these I find difficult to resist. These are really good. It's like a custard with a pastry. These are sweet. They're not as sweet. I actually picked up one of these today. Gonna enjoy those later. Some donuts. More pastries. Yo, whew, if you want to see price, this one is 15. Divide that by 7. It's just over $2 US. And there's more. These look fresh. I think these are more fresh though. It's like covered in sugar. These taste so good. More bakery items there. They have some croissants over there. These are about 2 USD. There we go. The thing about Chinese pastries are actually quite delicious. Oh, look at those. It's like walnuts covered in, and it's like stuffed with cream and strawberries, covered in strawberries. These look delicious. Oh. And this is just the pastry section. Just the pastry section. Look at this one here now. Now these are not looking appetizing. So you have, it's covered in a dough and it's wrapping like a hot dog. I think this is chocolate. Looks like chocolate chips. These are usually quite tasty. These are quite tasty. So these are all the breads that they have. There's so many options. Yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Is it like affordable? Is it expensive? I don't know. Ooh, I've had these before. These taste good. This one here. It's like it's actually covered in, it's roasted. Sorry, baked with hot red pepper flakes. It's really good. It's really delicious. Oh, look at it. So good. This is one of my favorite things here. You can get your duck. There's a whole tray of duck that you get here. I guess you can get it with your sauces, and they're chopping like freshly roasted duck there for you in the back. Really good. I've bought these quite a few times and I always kill it. You've got pizza. I could be here all day. You got your pizza slices. You've got tea. Is this tea? Let me see. You've got some fungus. These actually taste really good. But I don't like that it's sitting in plastic. It's a fungus with some dates in there. It tastes really good usually, but I don't like foods in plastics. More foods here. They fry a lot of stuff and you just have it ready to pick up and go. So if you want dumplings, you want more fried stuff, these actually taste quite good, but it's not something I would eat regularly. So they have them already divided up here, portioned, a little bit warm. It's like a flaky pastry that they make. Look, it's there whole, and then they cut it up. They cut it up for you. And then here, these actually taste really good. So it starts with like a noodle base, and then you can come in and choose your bean sprouts, cucumbers. That looks like tofu, but it looks like croutons actually. Peanuts, and then they have these sauces, spicy, peanutty, vinegary, and then you mix it. They put it in that bowl for you, and it's so good. And you have some salad. It is delicious. Then of course you're in China, so you're gonna have the steamed buns. All of these have been steamed dumplings. It's stuffed with rice. This one's stuffed with rice. That looks like a bean paste. They don't have samples, so I can't try it out. I don't know what it is. All these are steamed. You can come here, grab what you want, or you can ask them to give you some fresh ones in the back there. Then over here, oh, she's making these fresh in front of you. She's gonna stuff these with meat, with some beef, fresh beef, some vegetables, some cheese. I think I see some pineapple, sweet peppers, and some onions. She's rolling it out. I'm gonna put the meat in. So this is what she's making here. And then she put in the cheese. She will put it in the oven over there to bake, and then they'll wrap them up fresh right here for you. So I actually think it's quite nice because sometimes these are sitting here for a long time, and then right next to her, they're doing what do you call it? Chicken sandwiches. So she just made some burgers as well. So you have them here. These are not bad. Hi. These are the burgers. Hi. Ooh. Oh, here we go. It's not even like a full $3 for these. I don't know if that's a good price. I don't know what's the price of stuff in the US. But these are chicken sandwiches, and it's just over $1 USD for this. So I don't eat a lot of bread anymore, so I don't. So you have chicken here if you want. You get it cut up for you. I just don't know how long these have been sitting here. It's more duck. This is sweet and sour stuff. And they already have them portioned here for you. That looks like that is pork. I don't eat pork, so I don't care about that. And more poultry. It's just look at, it's just like a whole section of them. It's very sanitary. See, everything is quite clean in the back there. Yeah. So yeah. So this place is huge. I could just go on, like you have the drink section here, like. But I came. Let me tell you guys what I came for, because I think you guys might like to see this. Let's go over there. Let me walk over to the dim sum section. I came for some kimchi, and here we are doing a whole vlog. I don't know. Tell me if you guys want me to do more of these. I will try my best to do more. I have not covered the whole section, but these taste so good. Oh, these are steamed buns. Oh my god. These have dates in them. It's 2 kwai. Divide that by 7. Oh, just for one. 2 kwai for one. Oh my god. These taste so good. I'm actually tempted to get one. No, no. Resist, resist. They're all steaming. They're all steaming. So this is, let me show you. This is the dim sum section. Dim sum. Yummy. All these you can buy. They're filled with chicken, beef, pork. These have pork in them. But you get 5 huge buns. 5 huge for 1750 RMB. Divide that by 2, not even 3 USD. So, there you go. Alright. Okay, so I came for some kimchi. Let's see if we can do that. So I've been like obsessed with kimchi lately. And I come here for a huge container. Unfortunately, it sits in plastic. Let me look at the date to figure out when it was packaged. Today's the 29th. So it was packaged yesterday, which is not too bad. So I'll grab oh, there's one that was packaged today. 29th. I'll get these. I'll get about 3 or 4 of these. So this is my cart so far. I got some pastries, I got some duck, and I got some kimchi. I want some jackfruit. So they have some mango cut up for you. They have some pineapple, watermelon, dragon fruit. Lots of different fruits all sorted for you. But I want to get some jackfruit. I don't know. Let me think about it. No, I want some squash. So let me show what's happening in front of me. You have your pineapple there getting cut up. She's just slicing away. So you can get your fruit all cut up for you if you want. I need to find some squash.